Hello friends, today we will discuss some quant question of this paper. The question number 119 says that to find a reflex angle of any angle, we have to subtract the given angle from 360 degree. And it is asking find the reflex angle of 60 degree. So reflex angle of 60 degree is 360 minus 60, which is very simple, that is 300 degree, and the option is C, correct. The next question is 120, and which says that sum of three consecutive integer is 45. These kind of questions are very easy if you will attempt through options. So options here is, the first option is 15, 16, 17, second is 14, 15 and 16, and third is 13, 14 and 15, and 16, 17 and 18 is the fourth option. And if you will simply take the sum of all the three numbers, and wherever you are getting this sum 45, which will be the answer. So if you are taking the sum here, you will get the 48, so this is not the answer. If you will take the sum, that will be 45, and if you will take here, it will be 52, that will be 42, sorry, and this will be 51. So this will be the answer. Option number B is true. Let's move on to the third question, which is 122. The question number is 122, and in the question he is asking what is the LCM. So he has given the two numbers, and the numbers are in the variable 12 into x minus q, x minus 1 ka cube, and the second one is 15 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 ka square, and you have to find the LCM of both the numbers. So for taking LCM, first you have to take the factor. So first we will factorize this 12 into x minus 1 cube, which is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 1. Similarly, you will take the factor of 15 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 ka square, which will be 3 into 5 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 2. How to take the LCM? In the LCM, what we do, whichever factors are common, we will take only once, and the remaining factors will be coming as it is. So this is 3 into x minus 1 into remaining is 2 into 2 into 5 into x minus 1. Here this both x minus 1 into x plus 2 ka square. So this will be 60 into x minus 1 cube into x plus 2 square, which is the option number A. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is 123. The question number 123, he is asking you the ratio. The question number 123 says that 20% of A plus B is equal to 50% of A minus B. And he is asking what is A ratio B. So to solve this equation, 20% is 20 upon 100 into A plus B equal to 50 upon 100 into A minus B. 100 cancel, 0 cancel. This is 2 into A plus B equal to 5 into A minus B. Multiply this 2 inside, 2A plus 2B is equal to 5A minus 5B. This 5A minus 2A equal to 5B plus 2B, which will be 7A equal to 3A equal to 7B. So A upon B, which is equal to 7 by 3, means A ratio B is equal to 7 ratio 3, and that is the option number A. Now move on to the next question. Question number 124. In the question number 124, he says that in a village, 50% are children. This is the question number 124. The 15% of the total population are children and 40% of the total population of a village are women. And he has given you the total population. Total population is 900, and the question is asking the ratio of men population, women population and children population. So 15% of the total is children, means number of children you can find by the given percentage. It will be 15% of total, means 15 upon 100 into the total is 900, which is equal to 135 children. Similarly, the women percentage is given, means number of women you can find easily with the given percentage. Number of women will be 40% of total, and 40 upon 100 into 900, and that will be 360. Now the remaining is the number of men. Number of men will be the total 900 minus total number of children and women, that is 135 plus 360, and that is equal to 900 minus 505, 36 plus 9, 495, and that will be 405. This is the men population. Now he is asking men, women and children ratio, that is 405 ratio 360 ratio 135, and when you will cancel it out, it will be 9 ratio 8 ratio 3, and that is the option number B. So it is the ratio. You can cancel it out with the 5 and 3 also. Now the next question is 145, which is the simplification. Question number 145. The question is 48 divided by 12 into 9 upon 8 of 4 by 3 divide 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. Now this question can be solved by the simple BODMAS method. The BODMAS method is BODMAS. B means bracket, O means of, D means divide, M means multiply, and A means addition, and S means subtraction. Means whenever you are doing any simplification, you have to do by this order. Means first you have to solve the bracket if there is, and then you have to solve this off. So first we will be solving this bracket according to our BODMAS rule. So for solving this bracket, first in this bracket there is an off and there is a divide. So first you have to solve the off. The off is nothing, off is a multiplication only. 4 by 3 divide 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. You just cancel it out. 3, 3, 2, 2. It will be 48 divide 12 into, this is 3 by 2 divide 1 by 2, and that is 48 divide 12 into, first we have to solve this bracket, that is 3 by 2 divide 1 by 2 means 2 by 1. It will be reverse. This is this. Now 48 divide 12 into 3. Now there is divide sign and the multiplication sign. So by the BODMAS rule, we know that first we have to solve the divide. So that is 48 by 12 into 3. So 12 4 is 48, that is equal to 4 into 12, 3, that is equal to 12. So the answer is 12 and the option is D. Now let's move on to the next question, and which is 147. In the 147 he is asking you the LCM of some numbers. So 147 is asking the LCM of, you have to find the LCM of 22, 54, 108, 135 and the next is 198. For taking the LCM you have to just take all the numbers 22, 54, 108, 135, 198. You can see that there are numbers which can be divided by 2. So first we will divide by 2. 11, 27. The number which has not any factor of 2, we will write those number as it is. 2 9 are 18 and 99. Again there is one number which can be divided by 2. So let's take 2 again. 11, 27, 27, 135, 99. Now you can see there are so many numbers which can be divided by 3. So let's take 3. 11, 9, 9, 45, 3 3 are 9, 33. Again there are so many numbers which can be divided by 3. So let's take 3 again, which is 11, 3, 3, 15 and 11. Again you are seeing 3 here, so let's take 3 again. 11, 1, 1, 5, 11. Now there are two numbers 5 and 11, so let's take 5 first. 1, 1, 1, 11 and then 11 at the last. It will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the multiply, when we take the multiply of all these numbers, that will be the LCM. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be equal to this 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. When you will multiply all these numbers, you will get 5940, and which is the answer C. Now let's move on to the next question. Next question is 148, and the question says that sum of a number and its reciprocal is given 6 whole 1 by 6. It is given that sum of a number, take any number x, that the number is x. The question number is 148 and the reciprocal, its reciprocal will be reverse, means 1 by x. It is saying that the sum of x plus 1 by x, it is given in the question, is 6 whole 1 by 6. When you will solve this equation, take the LCM and it will be x square plus 1 equal to 37 upon 6. Just cross multiply it. You will get 6x square plus 6 equal to 37x, which is 6x square minus 37x plus 6 equal to 0. Now you have to take the factor of 36. 6 into 6, 36. You have to take the factor of 36 whose sum is 37, means 36 and 1. So we can write here 6x square minus 36 plus 1x plus 6 equal to 0. Just factorize it. Just multiply the x inside the bracket, which will be x plus 6 equal to 0. Now take the x minus 6 minus 1, x minus 6 equal to 0, that is 6x minus 1. X minus 6 if you will take out, then inside it will be 6x minus 1 and 1 will be x minus 6. So what is the x ka value? X is 6 or 1 by 6. So if you will take x6, then 1 by 6 will be 1, then 1 by x will be 1 by 6. If you will take the x 1 by 6, then 1 by x will be 6. So the option is C. Now let's move on to the next question, which is 149. And in the 149, it is giving you which is not a prime number. They're giving you four options: 241, B 391, C 337, D 571. Now what are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are numbers which are having factor only one or themselves. Means like 7. 7 is a prime number because the factor of 7 are possible 1 and 7 only. Like 13. 13 is a prime number because factor of 13 are 1 and 13 possible. Similarly 19, this is also prime because factors are only 1 and 19. So similarly you have to find among these four numbers which is not a prime number. Means the number which can be factored except this number and 1. Means a number which can be factorized. So you can see that there is no number which can be divided by 2 because all are odd. So you have to check whether they can be divided by 3. So for divided by 3 you have to check the sum of the digit, whether the sum of digit are divided by 3. So 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is 7, and 7 is not divided by 3. Similarly 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13 is also not divided by 3. 3, 3, 7. It is also not divided by 3. 3, 3 plus 6 plus 7, that is 13. 5 plus 7 plus 12 plus 1, 13. So all the numbers are not divisible by 3. So we have to check there will be one number among these four numbers which will be having a factor. So let's check this number 241. It is not divided by 3. It is not divided by 4 also because for 4, divisibility of 4. How to check whether a number divisible by 4 or not? Divisibility of 4, you can check that whether the last two digits, if last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number will be divisible by 4. So here it is 41, 91, 37, 71. So it is not divisible by 4 also. Now let's check to the some prime numbers like 7. It will not be divisible by 7 also. 13, it will not be divisible. If you will check this number, this 391, if you will check and if you will keep on checking by all the prime numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9, if it is not divisible by 3, 7, 13, all the prime numbers, check for all the prime numbers whether it is divisible by 3 or 5 or 7 or 13, 17. If you will divide this number by 17, 391, it will be, so this number is divisible by 17, matlab this cannot be the prime number. So this is 391, this is not prime. So like this you have to check the which number, any number which has a factor except 1 or themselves also. There will be other factors also that will not be the prime number. So here this is the number which is not the prime number.